Hi guys, our lesson today is about the probability. There are types of probability. The types of probability are impossible, certain, and possible. There are events that are impossible to happen, that mean will never happen, like the elephant can fly. So the probability of impossible event will be 0. There are also events that are certain to happen. Certain means sure. Like the sun rises from the east. So the probability of certain event will be 1. There are events that are possible to happen. Possible mean this event may or may not happen. Like Ahmed will go to the trip. This is maybe happen or not. Complete using certain, possible, or impossible. It is what that the sun rises in the morning. Yes, it's a certain event because this is sure to happen. It is what to rain money. This is an impossible event to rain money. It is what there is a man 5 meters high. Of course, this has never happened, so this is an impossible event. Ahmed will pass in the exam. This is maybe happen or not, so this is possible event. It is what to go on a trip with your friends. This is a possible event because this maybe happen or not. It is what that the pyramids are in Egypt. Yes, it's a sure. So it's a certain event that the pyramids are in Egypt. The probability of an event A equal the number of ways event A over the total number of possible outcomes. This is my rule that can help me in any question on probability. Like if we flip or throw a coin, what is the probability of getting a head? The answer is the number of head over the total numbers of a coin. Of course, I have only one head. 1 over the total numbers in a coin is 2 because any coin have one head and one tail. So the total number is 2. The probability of getting a tail. How many tail in a coin? It's 1 over the total. The total numbers in a coin is 2 also. So the probability of getting a tail is 1 over 2. In any probability, I must make simplifying after write a fraction. But in a coin, there is no simplifying because 1 over 2 is in their simplest form. Let's say another example. When you throw a dice, one time you will get a number on the upper face. Before you solve, you have to write the total number of the dice. The total number here is 6. So, if he asks you it is what to get the number 7, of course there is no number 7 in a dice, so it will be 0. It is what to get an odd numbers. How many odd numbers in a dice? 1, 3, and 5. How many numbers? It's 3. So I'm gonna write 3 over the total. The total number is 6. 3 over 6 after simplifying divided 3, it will be half. It's what to get a number from 1 to 6. Of course, the dice already have 6 digits, so it will be 6 over the total 6. 6 over 6 after simplifying will be 1. The probability of getting the number 2. Of course, the dice have a number 2. How many number 2 in a dice? It will be 1. 1 over the total. So 1 over the 6 is the answer. The probability of getting an even numbers is equal to the number of odd numbers in a dice. So it will be 3 also over 6. No one say no. 0, 2, 4, 6. There is no 0 number in a dice. It's only 3 digits, 2, 4, and 6. So 3 digits over the total 6 after simplifying will be 1 over 2. If in a class of 30 pupils there are 20 boys and 10 girls, if one of them got the full mark in math, so find the probability of being a boy. I'm gonna write the numbers of boys over the total numbers in a class. So the number of boys here are 20 over 30. Then you must make simplify. 20 over 30 divided 10, it will be 2 over 3. Find the probability of being a girl. So I'm gonna write the number of girls over the total number in the class. The number of girls here are 10 over the total 30. 10 over 30, after simplifying, dividing 10, it will be 1 over 3. In a basket, we have 5 red balls and 3 green balls. If you close your eyes and get out a ball from them, then the probability of having a red ball is what? Before you solve this question, you have to write the total numbers of the balls. The total numbers here, I'm gonna write 5 plus 3 equal 8. So the total number here is 8. The probability of having a red ball, I'm gonna write the number of red balls over the total numbers. So the answer would be 5 over 8. Number 2, the probability of having a green ball, I'm gonna write the number of a green over the total. So the answer is 3 over 8. And there is no simplifying here. So the answer would be 3 over 8. The probability of having a blue ball is 0 because I don't have any blue balls here. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.